Hello and welcome to the introduction video for TORAYWISE. TORAYWISE is an operation prediction system that utilizes Toray's membrane simulation technology. Let's begin. TORAYWISE is a supporting tool for membrane operation. Its functions include operation prediction and cause analysis when problems occur. TORAYWISE can also provide countermeasures for various trouble, based on our own experience and theory as a membrane manufacturer. TORAYWISE is like having a Toray engineer always at your site. TORAYWISE will predict operating conditions, detect operational problems and provide feedback on solutions based on the operating information provided by the customer for the water treatment membrane plant. This system makes it possible to propose appropriate operating conditions and solve problems quickly, thereby supporting stable plant operation for customers. There are three functions of TORAYWISE. The first is operation prediction, second is cause analysis, and third is countermeasure. The first function is the ability to predict CIP timing properly. TORAYWISE analyzes operation data and predicts an increase of TMP using Toray's original simulation technology. It displays the estimated date of next CIP. The second and third functions are cause analysis and countermeasures to resolve trouble immediately when it occurs. TORAYWISE analyzes operation data and judges operational trouble of UF and MBR membrane behavior using Toray's original cause analysis logic. It displays trouble type, cause, and countermeasure. Here are three advantages of TORAYWISE. First is the reduction of operators' work. Cause of trouble and countermeasure are displayed as soon as trouble occurs. This allows the operator to solve the problem immediately. The alert allows the operator to understand the issue and how to solve it, even if they are not skilled operators. Second is the preparation of CIP with margin. Estimated date of next CIP is displayed automatically. So the preparation of CIP can be conducted within a certain amount of time. Third is the prevention of serious troubles. TORAYWISE analyzes operation data every 30 minutes. Before reaching the TMP upper limit, the operator can detect the trouble in the initial state. This slide shows the installation image for TORAYWISE. There are 5 steps to introduce TORAYWISE: sensors, modem, connection between PLC and modem, setting remote monitoring server, and logging in. If the water treatment plant already has a remote monitoring system, it is easy to introduce TORAYWISE. This installation image of each sensor for UF is shown here. TORAYWISE uses operation data to analyze both operation prediction and cause analysis. These sensors are necessary for analyzing operation data. The red color marks required sensors. Feed flow, feed pressure, feed temperature, and filtrate pressure sensors are required. Sensors of blue color are recommended. Feed turbidity, BW flow rate, pH for BW, air flow rate, and feed pressure through the upper side nozzle are also recommended sensors. If the recommended sensors are installed in the plant, TORAYWISE can more properly judge operation trouble when trouble occurs. For MBR, water temperature and water level inside the MBR tank, air flow, filtrate flow, and filtrate pressure sensors are required. Sensors for measuring feed water quality such as TOC, pH, conductivity, and turbidity, measuring sludge conditions such as MLSS, pH, DO, and measuring filtrate water quality such as TOC, turbidity, and pH are recommended. The following is a list of UF's cause analysis. There are 4 major items. Feed water quality detects water quality problems using a turbidity meter. The second is operating conditions, which detects troubles in each operating process using flow, pressure, and pH sensors. The third item detects troubles by TMP increment. This function analyzes the TMP increment at the filtration process, the recoverability of physical cleaning, and the recoverability of CEB cleaning. Combining these functions can estimate the cause of the TMP increment troubles. Finally, the fourth function analyzes where fouling materials accumulate in the module. By identifying the locations where fouling material has accumulated, it is possible to propose effective cleaning methods. Toray's unique technology for analyzing differential pressure rise anomalies and specific clogging locations. The following is a list of MBR's cause analysis. There are 5 major items. The first is feed water quality, which detects water quality problems using TORAYWISE, pH, conductivity, and turbidity sensors. The second is activated sludge properties, which detect biological treatment problems using temperature, MLSS, pH, and DO sensors. The third item detects troubles by TMP increment. This function analyzes the TMP increment at the filtration process and the recoverability of physical cleaning. The fourth is filtrate water quality, which is detected using TORAYWISE, pH, and turbidity sensors. Finally, the fifth function detects operating conditions and troubles in each operating process using filtrate flow, airflow, and pressure sensors. In this figure, the upper left represents the actual operation differential pressure, and the lower left represents the prediction result at the early stage. As you can see, the online prediction line almost agreed with the actual operation differential pressure. As you know, feed water quality is changing day by day. In this case, the temporary elevation of actual differential pressure are observed several times. This phenomenon was due to the temporary highly turbid feed water intrusion into the UF module. Let's see the prediction result during highly turbid water in the 2 figures on the right. The prediction line increased rapidly during highly turbid water intrusion, and after dropping turbid water, it remained stable. As a result, appropriate prediction was achieved according to changing feed water conditions. It is difficult to immediately identify the cause and implement countermeasures when a TMP increase problem occurs. However, when TORAYWISE is installed, it is possible to estimate the cause of the problem from various operational data and parameters and propose countermeasures. As we mentioned in the previous slide, the clogging location in the module must be specified to resolve trouble when TMP trouble occurs. The clogging location in the module can be divided into 3 main areas: the bottom part of the module, the upper part of the module, and the membrane. High-density materials like sand tend to accumulate in the lower part of the module. On the other hand, low-density materials tend to accumulate in the lower part of the module. We have developed a new technology for specific clogging locations with analysis of online operation data. This image is an installation case of TORAYWISE. This plant capacity is about 4,000 cubic meters per day for UF inlet. This plant had 2 problems. One is to conducting CIPs at a high rate. The second one is overdosing on NaClO for TMC. Because the operator does not have operation skills for water treatment, but these problems were resolved by introducing TORAYWISE. The chemical cost for CIP and TMC was reduced. Customer says that CIP prediction by operation analysis is helpful for operation management. And there is credibility in the proposal of optimum operation conditions based on actual operation situations. With this, we have finished introduction of TORAYWISE. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.